everybody, welcome to my channel. So we're ready to go in the store and do some shopping. Now please keep in mind, I show you guys some deals. I show you deals that I do not do. I feel I don't need to do every deal, so I will show you guys deals in the store. I'll explain things if things go weird, and then I show you my haul at the end of the video of any problems that I had, you know, questions, comments, concerns that I had, so you guys can pay attention to that so you don't make the same mistake. And then you also want to check out the printable breakdown below that I have for you guys. So let's go shopping. Here we have the Old Spice Deodorant on sale for $8. We also have the Secret on sale for $8. We currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, but it's for the deodorant, so you can't mix and match this deal with the Olay body wash as it shows in the ad. But you want to buy 3 of them. You want to use the 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You'll end up paying $19, but with the Ibotta app there is a $3 rebate with a limit of 2, so you'll get $6 back with Ibotta, and you'll get a $5 register reward, making your price just $8 or $2.66 a piece. Here we have the other Secret deodorant, 2 for $10, or the Old Spice 2 for $10. And then you want to use a 5 off of 4 digital coupon. You'll end up paying $15, but then you get a $5 register reward when you buy 3, making this just $10 or $2.50 a piece. Here we have the Purex laundry detergent for $6.49. We have the pods for $5.99, and then we have the crystals for $6.99. These are currently on sale for buy one, get one free, but in the Walgreens app there's actually a $2 off 2 digital coupon that you want to use. So the pods are the better deal if you want to do that. So it's $5.99, take away the $2 off digital coupon, makes it $3.99, but then you get $2 cash rewards when you buy 2, making this $1.99 or 99 cents. If you do it this deal, your final price comes out to be just $2.49, and this deal ends up becoming $2.99. Here we have the Swiffer, I don't even know what you call those, but anyways, we got the Swiffer, and then we have the Downy on sale for $3.99. I didn't see any digital coupons, but you want to buy 3 of them. You end up paying $11.97, but you will get a $3 register reward when you buy 3 or more, making your final price just $8.99 or $2.99 a piece for this or that. We have the Colgate toothbrushes. Some of them are on sale for $3.99. We do have some toothpaste on sale for $3.99. And then we also have the mouthwash on sale for $3.99. I have a $2 off digital coupon for the mouthwash, and I also have a $2 off coupon, I think, for the toothpaste, but I'm not getting toothpaste. And I also have a $2 off digital coupon for the toothbrush. So you want to buy 2 of them, use 2 different digital coupons. You'll end up paying $3.98, but then you'll get $4 cash rewards, which shows right here, making both items just free. The Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7 along with the Garnier whole blends. We actually have 2 different digital coupons, but you want to use the 3 off of 2. There is a 3 off of 2 for the whole blends, and there's also a 3 off of 2 for the Garnier Fructis. So you'll end up paying $4 or have each of them $2 a piece. I would not do this deal, but in case you guys need it really badly, then go ahead. We have these Scats paper towels for $5, and then in the Walgreens booklet there is a $1.25 off coupon, so you'll end up getting this for $3.75, but there's a better deal with the toilet paper, again $5. You want to use that $1.25 off Walgreens booklet coupon. Photo department. And then there is a 50-cent off coupon that you can use in today's inserts, so you'll end up getting this for $3.25. My store is sold out, but we have the Airheads filled ropes. You want to actually buy it, you'd pay $2.29, but there is a 75-cent rebate deal with Ibotta, so you'll get 75 cents back with Ibotta. And we also have 425 shop kick points for purchasing it and 25 kicks for scanning the product. You'll end up getting $1.80 back with the shop kick, so you'll pay $2.29, get the 2 rebates back. Comes out to be a 26-cent moneymaker. We have the Kellogg's cereal on sale for $1.88. Now, I wasn't able to print it off. My computer's acting weird. But there is currently a $1 off a 2 printable coupon from the Kellogg's Family Rewards. So you want to use that coupon. You would end up paying $2.78 with that printable coupon. Comes out to be just $1.38 a box. And you can submit your receipt to get a free book with any Kellogg's product. Here we have the 7-Up A&W products, 3 for $8.99. You can buy 3 of them. You'll pay $8.99, which comes out to be just $2.99 a case, which is a pretty decent deal. The Pringles Chips are on sale, 3 for $4, but we actually have a $1 off a 3 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You'll just get these for $3 or $1 a piece, which is a pretty decent price. Here we have the Bic razors for $6.49. They're currently buy one, get one 50% off. And we have a 4 off a 2 digital coupon that you want to use. So you end up using that digital coupon, you'll pay $5.73, but you will get a $3 register reward when you buy 2 of them, making it just $2.73 or $1.36 a piece. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys my Walgreens haul. Now, it's not a hot week, and the reason is because it's the beginning of a new week. It's the beginning of a new month, so you guys want to grab the Walgreens booklet. It's also, we don't have the P&G, and usually the P&G is the big deal. So there's a lot of P&G deals, just not the P&G inserts. So I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now please keep in mind I showed you guys other deals that I did not do. There was one deal that I kind of messed up on, and it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. I realized it beforehand, but I'll go through that with you guys in just a second. So let's just dig in. So I ended up getting soda, pop, whatever. This is the best deal. As you guys know, root beer is my favorite drink. So these are currently on sale, 3 for $8.99. This is usually when I get soda. I feel like I've been getting soda at Walgreens the most lately. I barely ever get it at a grocery store unless it's a specific flavor that I'm craving, but usually it's root beer. But those are 3 for $8.99, making them $2.99 a piece if you guys need to stock up on that. Usually I don't tell you guys that deal, but you know, some of you might need it. Some of you might need it. And it's sad, you guys, I got everything in one bag. I will be doing giveaways for this sometime in the future. I was thinking of doing 2 at a time. I don't know, I have to gather how many I have, but I will share with you guys on that. So I got some Pringles because we love Pringles in our house, and I like paying $1 or less for these. So these were 3 for $4, and there is a $1 off digital coupon for this. You would just get these for $3 or $1 a piece. This is actually a good flavor. It is the cheddar and sour cream, because I like cheddar and I like the sour cream, and it's combined into one. That's the best. My son really likes the sour cream, but I had him try this one time because he doesn't like the cheddar, but he couldn't tell the difference. So if you guys have a hankering for some Pringles, go for it. My store was still putting up sale tags. It's a 24-hour store, and I notice every time when it's at the beginning of the month, they don't have the sale tags up 100%. I think it's because they're tearing everything down and changing all the displays and stuff. But anyways, I got the Colgate mouthwash and toothbrush. I have so much Colgate toothpaste, it's ridiculous. So I just thought I'm going to get these products. So these were on sale for $3.99. I had a $2 off digital coupon for the mouthwash, and I had a $2 off digital coupon for the toothbrush. You would buy 2 of these, you'd pay $3.98, but then you get a $4 cash rewards, making these both free, so you guys can do that deal. We did get some $1 insert coupons if you want to do that way. I was going to do the tie deal because in the ad it showed there was a $2 off coupon. I didn't get no $2 off digitals for either the liquid or the pods. I was going to do that deal, and I decided no because there was no digital coupon for it. So, yeah. And then I was going to do this deal, and my store only had one on the shelf, but then I found a Sidekick that had it, so I'm like, okay. So I ended up getting 3 of these. And here's my mistake. So in the ad, it shows that the Olay body wash and then the Old Spice and Secret are on sale for $8, and there's going to be a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. What I was going to do is buy 2 of these and 1 of the Olays. But as I scanned this, there's only a 5 off of 3 coupon for the Old Spice or Secret, or there's a 5 off of 3 digital coupon for the Olay. You can't mix and match. I thought you could. So if you guys do that deal, make sure you pay attention to your digital coupons. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. But these were $8 a piece. I used the 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You would end up paying $19 for these 3. $19, I know. But you can submit a $3 rebate with Ibotta, which is a limited 2, so you get 2 of them for $3, so you get $6 back with Ibotta, and you'll get a $5 register reward, making this just $8 or $2.66 a piece. It's an okay deal. I mean, usually you gotta pay a little bit more, than that, but I do want to say you will get a store coupon. Now, I've told you guys this before. The store coupon, you can only use one of these that say store coupon per transactions. As far as I know, you do not need a filler item with this. You do not need a filler item with this. When you get a register reward that says manufacturer coupon, you have to have a filler item, but you can use both of these in the same transaction. You can use as many of these as you want in one transaction. You can only use one store coupon in one transaction. If that's kind of confusing, they just recently started doing that over the past couple months, and it took me a while to figure out how to do it, but yeah. The next deal I got was the Purex laundry detergent. Now, these were $5.99. My store had other ones for $6.49 and $6.99, so I got those. So these were $5.99. I had a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that I used. So you would end up paying, and these are buy one, get one free. So you end up paying $3.99, but then you get $2 cash rewards, making these $1.99 or like 99 cents a piece if you guys need some laundry detergent. I know last week we went crazy with the Purex laundry detergent. And I also got one more deal for you guys. So I got the Bic razors. Now the Bic razors were regular price $6.49, right? $6.40, yeah, $6.49. They were buy one get one 50% off. You would end up using a $4 off digital coupon, and you would pay $5.73, but you get a $3 register reward when you buy 2 of them, making it $2.73 or just $1.36 a piece if you want to do that. So that was my haul. It wasn't much. I got so much Kellogg's cereal, it's ridiculous, but that's a great deal, especially with the free books. They messed up on my receipt when I submitted it like a week or so ago. I only got credit for 1, and I had to send them a message, and so they gave me a credit for 2. I have so much toilet paper and paper towels, it's ridiculous. I don't need any more of that stuff. And then I was gonna get the Airheads, but my store was sold out on that. But other than that, everything went by all smoothly. The cashier, the person who checks me out, she's like, "You're only doing one transaction?" I said, "Yeah." She's like, "You don't have any paper coupons?" I said, "No." I only paid with my register rewards, but when I show you guys my total, that's not what I pay. I paid with register rewards, but I do not factor those in my total. So my total came to $33.29. $33.29 if you took all the register rewards. I actually paid out of my own pocket. I paid $1.74. $1.74 is what I paid. Isn't that crazy? Yeah. So, anyways, $33.29 is what my total was. I ended up getting $6 back with Ibotta. I got $8 back with a register reward, and then I got $6.23 points. I got $4 back for the Colgate and $2 back for the Purex. So my grand total came to $13.06. Not the greatest deal, but hey, you know what? I got soda for all that stuff. I mean, soda, that's what I like. I like to get that price. So I think I did a pretty good deal. Not every deal always has to be free. Not every deal has to be a moneymaker. It's awesome when it can be that way. But when there's stuff that you guys truly need, it's great to have, you know, as much lower out of pocket as you guys can. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next Sunday for another Walgreens haul. It's probably going to be P&G week, so there's going to be some great deals. Again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.